Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. It's your boy Nico. It's your boy Nico. It's day 3. It's day numero 2. And we are now here at Baler. So, magkano yung entrance natin para sa Mother Falls? 30 pesos. Kaso guys, ang tour guide ay 200 pesos and required kayo kumuha ng tour guide. So, kay Alan, sabi, mild lang yung, anong tawag doon?
Yung level?
Yung level, parang level 1. Bawal may high blood and 4 times tayong tatawid na.
May high blood ako.
And 4 times tayong tatawid na. Bawal may high blood.
May high blood ako. May high blood ako.
Bawal may high blood. Hi guys! We have a ride here at Marlboro. So, tapos na kami mag-swimming sa Mother Falls. Sobrang lamig, diba? Sobrang lamig. Siguro, ang technique guys is lumubog na kayo. Huwag na kayong umupo lang kasi mas malamig siya. We have now arrived at the famous waves of Savang Beach. Done with surfing. So yan guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-surfing. So waves na to. Sobrang nakakapagod. Sobra. Kuya, what can you say?
Nakakapagod.
Sobra nakakapagod.
Okay.
Magkano? 350 for 1 hour.
So, parang
For their,
hanggang mapagod ka.
exactly. Guys, andito kami sa Baler Plaza with the massive Baler letters over here and surfboards over here. Good morning guys, we are on our way to the lighthouse. Bakit na tayo ng lighthouse? Talented masyado yung mga bagets dito eh.
Local.
Kitang-kita ang locals. Kuya, ba't tinawag na hanging bridge yan?
Ito. Kasi malakas ang hangin dito. Ito mo. Isa pang reason kung ba't tinawag itong hangin.
Ano pa yun?
Sa babasi ay mabuhangin.
Made it! Sobrang nakakalula pero ang ganda ng view.